All right, good going. Yeah, it looked like it might have gone to the right a little bit. Remember your fundamentals. That's what will get you to hit it. All right, there we go. Put some icing on the cake. All right, way to go. Good shooting, Jenna. Finger sore? Yeah, you know, we need to find one that doesn't have quite as much trigger pull on it, you know?
No, it's good. It's just...
Well, no, that does have pretty... It has a long trigger pull on it.
It's just I have this thing on my finger that...
Oh, okay.
Like a sore.
Okay. Well, very good. We had a good time out here, I think. I think we should pack it up and get out of here, though. Because the sun's starting to go down.
Let's wait until the sun...
And then the werewolves will come out, and if we're not fast, guess what? They'll bite you, and then you go, wow, 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 wow. Okay, safe.
Well, let's wait until it's got sun.
Okay, go ahead and keep shooting then. So this is out at the end of Miguelito Canyon. Okay, Jenna, let's get them. Fundamentals of shooting. Stance, grip, trigger squeeze, and sight alignment. That sounded like a dud, didn't it?
A what?
A dud. It was kind of like a shot that didn't have a lot of power behind it.
It did not?
I think it sometimes doesn't get full power on the shots. Right. That's two. Nothing came out. There you go. You got 3 in a row because that one, nothing came out on it. Must have not loaded a pellet. Try at 3 in a row. See if you can do it again. That's kind of unusual to be able to do it. So we'll keep our fingers crossed. There's one.
I hear something.
Yeah, I do too. No, it's pretty big. Whatever it is. That went a little to the right. Okay, if I tell you to get in the truck, if I see a mountain lion or whatever, you get in the truck immediately, okay?
Get the gun ready.
I don't have a gun. I didn't bring my gun with me, my real gun. I don't think he's going to get scared by a pellet gun. All right. Uh-oh. Do you see that?
That was a rock.
No,
Oh,
that was a BB right there. Came right back and
Almost hit you.
almost hit me. Good thing I had my safety glasses on. See, Papa don't talk for the hell of it, does he? Safety is #1 when you're shooting. Okay, she's trying for 3 in a row again. Let's see if she can do it. Okay, that'll count as a hit. You hit it, you moved it. All right. All right, you did it. 3 in a row. Safety on.